Much love, fam, and welcome back. Happy New Year to you. I hope everyone's 2021 has started off well. It has been a minute, so I'm going to jump right on in with my loc update. What's going on with my locks on my head? What's going on with me? And I was out and about for I was walking some hills and stairs, and I thought, now is great a time as any to update you all. So that's what I did. I went with it. So it has been almost 2 years. February will be 2 years that I started my locks. And then, what do I want to say? Oh, I want to say it's been about 2 months, but it feels like it's been like 3 months, 4 months, you guys, that I have retwisted. I'll have to go back and look at videos because I honestly can't remember, but my roots are so thick and grown out that it feels like, 3-4 months. 2 months for me is not a very long time at all. That's, a usual. I just go with, if you're new here, first of all, welcome, but I just go with how I feel. I'm not on a schedule, a retwisting schedule or anything, or a washing schedule. I wash and retwist as I please, and 2 months would not have been long for me at all. But maybe I think what's going on is I'm just seeing so much growth that my roots are super duper thick and grown out. So much so that they're pulling on each other a bit. So for me, that's bothersome. I don't like how that feels. So I would have retwisted already, but time has gotten the best of me here. We are in the middle of a move again. And, I've just been keeping it. I usually keep it simple, but now I'm keeping it even more simple to make time for those other things. So, if I was loose natural in doing this, oh my goodness, I'd be in for a world of hurt when I went to detangle my hair, and finally detangle it and everything. But with locks, they're forgiving. So I will just retwist after my next wash and I will be all good. So upcoming for you, I do have a wash video. And I also do have a much needed retwist video. And then, of course, the 2-year update. That'll be in February. So do me a big favor, you guys, and let me know down below. First off, how's your 2021 going? How did you end 2020? What is going on with you all? And secondly, let me know if there's any videos you would like to see from me, and I will work that in for 2021. For me, 2021 is off with a bang, and I am just so grateful. I'm being out as much as possible and just being in gratitude and love and abundance, and I'm just so appreciative. And I am so appreciative of you all. I have missed you. So definitely let me know what is up. That is it for the locks and hair update, I think. I'm trying to think if I can think of anything else. No, it's winter here in California, but you can see what we're working with. And usually the kind of growth I've had, I see during the summer, but I'll take it now. All right, you guys, I just wanted to finish out the video on my own, not a voiceover, and say thank you so much for watching. And I have that big juicy video coming out of the 2-year anniversary. That will be next month, but I've already started working on it with tons of pictures and videos. So this one will be from 1 year to 2 year, and then I have my other one. I will link it above if I haven't linked it already. That is from starting to 1 year. Of course, retwist video and a definitely much needed wash video. So I'll see you guys really, really soon. All right, have a great day, week, night, wherever, weekend, weekday, whenever you're watching this. Have a great one. All right, bye.